I know it's really windy, but I really wanted you to check out the waves. They are humongous today. Surfing weather, pretty much. I just don't have a surfboard. Let's take a look. And you'll see people walk by, because the beach is 21 kilometers. The waves, it's kind of like a different color. It's not blue. It's because there's sand building up. Whistle you heard is because there's 3 people in the water, and I guess we're not allowed to swim today because the waves are too big. Aww, but I really wanted to go in the water. That's okay. Maybe later.